Thaka pun itu dia.
Interpolice ayam bagai opening closing seni, adu standard police atau bidang besi mesti yang padat na wai padat ti, omang jadi yang tidak ramai, ojasi susah, angsa na madalah, kata bak pibang ramai sini ramai besmana, police ayam muda, adu interpolice banglo besi cang-cang na banglo banglo kawi, adu standard police tadi pra standard orang ada, standard police standard orang. Oke, aku ini universiti na tahun ini aku ini interpolice trampam itu direct kayak saya dapat tarah, nomor 29 event ini mungkin association, loh itu apa? Association itu sudah kau kita tarah kali interpolice panggung ini. Aduga sigi interpolice association sudah quite standard level best teachers sino full reform da ler gadi muloi na cooperation bi wai da ato pas should be tawada ko adum best teachers na officers na tawai ka suti yo kuma ke ajake
event here at Standard College. We have been organizing this function for the last 3 years. So I welcome all the officials as well as all the participants as well as the teaching and non-teaching staff. Bodybuilding it is not all about physical strength, but it reflects about the discipline, the commitment, the self-control, and a strong positive mindset. I deeply appreciate all the students who have trained hard with determination and stepped forward to participate in this best physique competition.
Thank you very much.